Hi there, this is Samuel and today I'll show you the easiest way to clean your humidifier. If your humidifier looks like this, it's time to clean it. The easiest way to do this is to use the Stadler Form Cleaner Descaler. This product does not just remove all the minerals, but does also clean your humidifier perfectly. You take the cleaner and descaler and the tap water and put everything in your humidifier. The ratio is about 50-50. The descaler and the water mix reacts with the lime scale in the product and removes all the minerals. So you just leave it for a couple of minutes. The time for cleaning always depends on how much minerals are in your humidifier. The only thing you need to do now is to remove the mix of descaler and water, and your unit will look like new again. So that's all you need. The Stadler Form Cleaner and Descaler to clean your humidifier and to remove minerals. That's the easiest way to clean your humidifier. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. And if you still have questions, write them in the comments below. Thank you and bye-bye.